Welcome to another video of Technology in Law Enforcement. In this video, we'll know about latest trends in credit card fraud. Let's talk about advance fee fraud. The advance fee fraud is the commonest of internet scams. As the name implies, this scheme works by requesting for advance payments. The scammer will send you some products and services they sell or offer, usually at an unbeatable price. Then they demand payment of a small advance fee and say 10%. To legitimize the scam, they claim that this money is being processed to your order. The moment you pay the fees, they bounce into next victim. To avoid being a victim, you must never deal with a stranger online without some form of insurance. The best type of insurance in this case is an escrow service. That way the stranger only gets your money if he fulfills his end of the bargain. Escrow is also dirt cheap, by the way. The impersonation scam. In this form of internet scam, the scammer poses as a long-time acquaintance, family, or request to get to you. They contact you on a social media or telephone with an air of familiarities.
Then next comes the barrage of excuses why they are stuck in a remote location and can't get out.
One of favorite reason they give is that they got mugged. The impersonation scam. Another is that they lost some essential possession and needed urgent help. Then they go into the ask of some form of financial aid from you. The moment you grant it, these fraudsters got you. Always scrutinize familiar contacts before granting any request. A person impersonating your high school buddy should know what your buddy knows, such as where you both hung out, played football. If they don't, end the communication. Charity and relief internet scam. Scammers have no honors, so don't expect them to play with some ethical mode as you. The relief and charity scam is one of the most effective scams in the recent times. The format is simple. The scammers pull up the sad photo of a child, people, etc. in a terrible situation. They then spend a bit of time exaggerating stories about these people. After the story, they proceed to ask that you donate some money to this cause. The reason why this internet scam is efficient is that it plays on your emotions. To stay away from this fraud, always ensure you verify the source of charity. If possible, request to see some form of documentation before you donate. Most times, a little research online is all that you need to expose these fraudsters. Extortion and blackmail scam. This form of online scam involves the scammers threatening you with some leverage. This leverage may be real or imagined. Fraudsters can use private sexual media content of their victim to blackmail them. These criminals may threaten to upload the content online if the victim fails comply. To comply usually means paying outrageous sum of money. The terrible nature of this scam is that it is a long term. It could go on for as long as the fraudster desires, and payment often does not solve the problem. To avoid getting into this form of trouble, always lock your private devices. Never share sensitive content with untrustworthy people. Talk to a reputation management attorney.